All right. Probably got to go that way with it. Yep. Nice.
That thing is.
Yes, I think you want to hit it from this side.
Yep. Yeah.
Go lower down on this side. There you go. Ooh, there it goes.
Probably hold it out this way. I don't think I'm going to back up that one.
Almost got hands crushed. All right, hold on. Leave it like that. Let me use this bar.
Oh, that's all dirt down there.
Yeah, that's good. One more time. Yep. All right, we got it. That's good. What's up, Aaron? Out of the way.
Until it falls on your fingers.
No, that ain't falling.
That thing made that perfect beat.
Yeah, grab yourself a can.
I want to see what y'all get out of this thing. Make sure I'll get that nugget right there. I saw one.
That backpack didn't come off for that nugget.
Huh? Oh. Ask Anwar. The nuggets we got last time, I let him get them all. I'm trying to let him catch up. I've gotten too many now.
You mean ask the Amazon guy?
Dirt.
You okay? I'm gonna put some in there.
Let me go.
I got about 30 packages to deliver, man.
What?
I got about 30 packages to deliver.
Then why'd you get off early?
You got a prospect, you got to stay loyal to prospecting, man.
Okay, looky here. Let me explain something. When I opened the person's pool, and I was like, "Yeah, dude, y'all should watch me. You should check out my gold channel and stuff, okay?" as he counted out the $700 for the work that I did that day, he said, Joe, this is your real goal. And he started 1, 2, 3. The real gold, Joe. Hopefully Jim ain't watching. Oh, this ain't live.
Now we're live.
Oh my God.
Nah, I'm playing. We ain't live.
Yeah, try to see if we can get anything out of this. The middle. Look at this, all that build up. You got all the build up in there.
Motherfucker ain't recording.
I don't know what is this guy doing.
I think I just saw a piece of gold in this.
What about I have 2 phones out?
Did you see my last video I put up? I named it the Zoom Zoom.
Yeah, I saw that, man.
Yeah, I was laughing my ass off. What was cool was we was videotaping at the same time.
You guys might as well test what you got. Let's see what we got out the hole before we even keep working on it.
Yeah, I might as well get it clean. It's almost done. So we might be able to pull that piece out.
Yeah.
Is that gold right there?
Nah, pink.
I just don't have my glasses on. That's okay. There's something in there. What, y'all had nothing?
Flour.
Okay, 1 piece.
You got better gold than you so far.
2 pieces. One just went down here. Not much. Just a little pieces. You can hardly see them. But there's some in there. Oh, there you go. 3 pieces. You just dumped it out?